Morning came with the promise of another ride. From the western edge of Sri Lanka, we set off once again. Talaimannar behind us, the northern roads ahead. Today we were heading to Jaffna. The A14 led us forward, straight, endless, unforgiving. Short trees and dry bushes lined both sides, offering little relief. The temperature rose, the heat pressing down on us. But with every kilometer we pushed forward, the rhythm of the ride matching the pulse of the road. Then the road changed. The drylands gave way to tall green trees, a welcome escape from the heat. And just when we thought we had seen it all, the trees disappeared, replaced by something even more surreal: water on both sides. The road became a bridge between two worlds, surrounded by the endless ocean. The Sangupiddi Bridge welcomed us into Jaffna, a moment that felt like crossing into a different chapter of our journey. The northern air carried a new energy, a new story waiting to be told. By 4 p.m. we entered Jaffna. Before pushing further, we stopped near Jaffna Fort Beach, letting the ocean breeze cool us down. The journey was always about movement, but sometimes stopping made us appreciate it even more. Next, we rode towards Kate's Island, following the AB19 road. The road felt different, more isolated, more untouched. By 5 p.m., we reached the Kate's jetty, waiting for the ferry to take us to Kilometer Island. Then came something special. The ferry arrived, and for the first time, our bikes weren't on the road, they were on the water. The short ride across felt like a scene from another time. The sun dipped lower, casting golden reflections on the waves. It wasn't just about reaching the other side, it was about the journey itself. As we crossed into Kilometer, the sky transformed. The bridge stretched ahead, glowing under an orange sky, the sun setting behind us. We stopped, sat by the water and just watched. Some moments don't need words. This was one of them. The day wasn't over yet. With the last traces of sunlight behind us, we chose the AB21 road, heading towards Patuna. The third day was ending, but the journey was far from over. Tomorrow, the road would call again. And we would answer.